Hi, I'd love to tell you about my Birdfy Nest. I set it up in my yard because I wanted to see the bluebirds in my yard nesting up close. The Birdfy Nest has done that and more. Before I tell you more about it, I would love to show you. Watching that bluebird couple from nesting through incubating their eggs all the way through fledging was so exciting. But I want to talk more about the box itself. One of my favorite features is the solar power. With the solar power, I have never had to charge the batteries. It's 100% all the time. As you can see, there's two cameras. One is for when the bird is approaching. And inside there's a camera for when they're nesting. As you can see, there's an area for the fledglings to climb up and escape. It's made of bamboo, so it's eco-friendly and it's easy to clean. The only issue I had was the box was originally painted black on the side and the paint came off. I personally don't care, but it's something that you should be aware of. The box comes with everything you need, including mounting brackets. I mounted mine on a bird pole because I wanted the protection of the baffle. The app is equipped with AI, which actually sequentially puts all of the video frames in order and identifies what nesting stage they're at, such as building the nest, incubation, fledging. The box allows for airflow, but is also waterproof. My bluebird babies did not get wet at all. If you want to experience the miracle of bird nesting and baby hatching and fledglings fledging, I highly recommend the Birdfy Nest.